Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you are watching this video right now, you might be looking for how to actually use video to promote your business, okay? And we're gonna be talking about that over the next few minutes. I'm gonna give you my biggest strategies on how I was able to do that in my business. I use tons of video. If this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, hello, my name is Aaron Chen. On this channel, you're going to get strategies on how to build a more profitable online business. So consider subscribing at any time, okay? So in this video, what we're gonna talk about today is how to use video to promote your business, right? So video is super powerful, okay? It's one of the best ways to actually get your your brand and your voice out there to your audience. I mean, there are so many different ways that you can build your business. I like to focus on internet marketing. I do a lot of video, and a lot of people, I guess the biggest question that you might have is, well, Aaron, I'm really scared to do video, so do I really need to do it in order to be very successful in affiliate marketing, internet marketing? And the truth is that you don't really have to, honestly. I mean, there are other ways that you can build your business, but I think that video is one of the best, okay? And if you're not doing it, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, and you need to start, you need to start flexing that muscle, okay? The thing is that, it's a bit weird. I mean, when I first got started on doing video, it was not the easiest thing. I mean, you're literally I'm talking to a camera right now. There's literally a camera on a tripod right now with my shotgun mic, and I'll talk about that in the next few minutes. So it's very awkward because I'm not actually interacting with anything. I'm literally just talking directly to you through the lens of the camera. And so when you first start doing this, it is a bit weird, okay? But it's one of those things where it's like going to the gym. The first time you go to the gym, you start lifting weight, and you can only lift like 5 pounds, right? And even after you lift 5 or 10 pounds, when you go back, your arms are all sore and your whole body is aching. But the more consistent you go, you'll start to slowly see that you can start lifting 15 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, and it starts to get really easy, okay? So yes, the first, I guess, 10, 20 times that I did video, it was very strange, right? And it takes a little bit of practice. Initially you're gonna be really wooden, okay? And you're gonna be very deliberate. Some people like to read a script and it makes them sound like a robot. And there are all these weird things that you're gonna start doing when you first start doing video, but the idea is to practice every single day so that you start to get really good at it, okay? And what I also want to say is that video is not it's not the thing of the past, it's not the thing of the future, it is the thing of the now, all right? Video is becoming so popular. I mean, if you look at websites like Facebook, there's just a whole bunch of video on there, YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google, right? Because people love to look for video in order to find, educate themselves, entertain themselves, and find out how to do things, right? So, and video is also a very easy way for you to connect with your audience, right? So a lot of affiliate marketers out there that are crushing it online use video, all right? And the reason why they use video is because it's very easy to connect with your audience. Like when I'm looking at, when my people watch my videos, they get a sense and a feel for the type of person that I am, right? And it's a lot easier for you to build a connection with someone through the internet if you're actually watching their face, okay? And you're hearing them speak, you're seeing their background, and you're actually consuming their content, right? And so that's why it's so important to expand and stretch yourself and try and do video, okay? So if you're scared to do it, I highly recommend that you just flex that muscle, okay? Exercise that video muscle. Just grab your camera, do it every single day, and literally just kind of do your videos like this. I mean, right now I'm actually doing my recording from my brand new Canon 200D, okay? This was another one that I used to use a lot. This is the Canon 70D, but unfortunately, it's got a little bit of a weird glitch where if you start recording, it freezes. So that's why I got the 200D to replace it. But honestly, most of the time, I actually just use my iPhone 10. Okay, so if you've got a Samsung, if you've got a Huawei, you don't even need a fancy, DSLR camera. You don't even need a mic. I've got a shotgun mic set up to this, right? Because I want slightly better quality. But 90% of my videos on YouTube, I just use my iPhone like that, right? And the mic on this thing is so good. You don't even need to mic yourself up. But if you do, you can buy, a lapel mic, you can buy a shotgun mic that just kind of sticks out, and it kind of sticks out here if you want to record better sound, okay? So If you're not doing video already, you have to do it, all right? Super, super important. I highly recommend it. For me, that's how I went from, having a, nothing business basically to generating, 6 figures a year. And you can do the same thing as well, okay? Now, how do you actually use video to promote yourself? Okay, it's very simple, right? All you do is you must start a YouTube channel, okay? I'm just gonna explain to you how I do it. So I started a YouTube channel. I started doing videos every single day based on my particular niche area, okay? So I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm doing internet marketing, so I do a lot of content based around how to be successful in affiliate marketing, in internet marketing, right? And there's so many little different topics that you can talk about. So honestly, it depends on what kind of business you have. You might be selling weight loss products, or you might be teaching people how to, date better, or you might be teaching people how to run faster, jump higher, whatever it is. Make sure that you're coming out with, little snippets of content every single day, all right, that teach one specific thing, and all you need to do is literally just grab your camera, your iPhone, your Samsung, your Huawei, or your DSLR, and just record yourself and do a quick, 3-minute to 10-minute video, and then just upload it onto YouTube, all right? And make sure you rank your video. Very, very important, all right? And I'm not going to talk about that today, but if you want to check it out inside my channel, you can actually find some of my ranking strategies, okay, that will teach you how to get your YouTube videos to rank for particular keywords, okay? Remember that when you are using video, okay, if you're creating great content but people can't find your stuff, then it's as good as useless. Does that make sense? Okay, let me say that again. When you're creating content for YouTube, or you're trying to, get your videos onto Facebook or wherever it is, right? People have to be able to find your stuff, right? Because even if the video is the most amazing thing but people can't find it, then people aren't going to find you, and they're not going to be able to consume your content, right? So wherever you decide to upload your videos, or however you decide to use your video strategy, remember that it's very, very important that people can actually find your stuff. So you must learn to rank your videos for particular keywords if you're doing it on YouTube, okay? But if you're recording video on YouTube and you're emailing your list, or you're getting them to see it somewhere else, then those are different strategies. But what I would highly, highly, highly recommend is just starting video. That's the first thing, okay? On this page, on this channel, you can get tons of different strategies on how you can use video to integrate it into your overall business, and I'll also talk about that in future videos. But listen, I hope you enjoyed this video today, all right? Let me know in the comments below if you got some aha moments from this video. Are you using video inside of your business right now, right? If you want to check out some of the tools, the equipment that I use, I use this 200D, I've got this 70D here, this is my iPhone. I've also got a Rode shotgun mic, which you can't see in the video right now. But if you want to check all those out there in the resources below, completely up to you. You can copy what I'm using, because I've tested quite a lot of equipment, and this is the good stuff. Yeah, if you want to learn how to actually build a very, very successful affiliate marketing business, all you have to do is click on the link below this video, and you can get access to my 4-day training that will show you how I built out a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. You can literally just copy the strategies, okay? And once you implement it in your business, that's how you're going to be able to change your life. That's how you're going to be able to travel the world, do the things that you want to do, whatever your personal goals are. So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Take care, speak soon, and I'll see you in another video.